Believe us going back, back, release even the distant future. Overcome and advance by myself.